a mighty God.
You'll be penning on fire.
Come say no, now say no.
What you young when you was in them. Without I see you, I did. One my many men was with the one that go, with the one you go. Now what you are saying them. So all my thanks and praise with the mouth one. He's taking my life, he's giving me victory. When I'm in trouble, you come and set me free. So I'll give you thanks and praise. Serve a living God,
Serve the mighty God.
come and help me see.
He's changing my life, he's giving me victory. When I'm in trouble, you come and set me free. So I give you thanks and praise. Serve the living God, serve the mighty God.
Edumraneni, that's why I know. They ain't them no fire. What do you want to say?
When I see you, you are here and here.
Mama, many men was. Bindi was that go. Many way go. I just do the right way. So all my things are praise. Give me my word.
He's changing my life, he's giving me victory. When I'm in trouble, you come and set me free. So I give you thanks and praise. Serve the living God, serve the mighty God. He's changing my life, he's giving me victory. When I'm in trouble, you come and set me free. So I give you thanks and praise. Serve the living God, serve the mighty God.
Anelele, anelele.
Changing my life, he's giving me victory. When I'm in trouble, you come and set me free. So I give you thanks and praise. Serve the living God, serve the mighty God.
Okay. Grace Band, Yadamwase. Pacha Mamon Kwasi, yes, Habamuso, Ohemaa, Nyamisha, Messiah, another amazing person, so waha. Also, no, Nsoromma season 7. Ohemaa, can you spot him?
Yeah.
Can you spot him?
Yeah.
Introduce, no.
Bernardo.
Ohemaa, Sada Oba, so me introduce you. Ladies and gentlemen, Bernardo! Yeah. Man, Mike, who could have Mike that? Bernardo, what to say? Hey. Now, after Nsoromma season 7, what question? Asinda, man. And I who then asin?
Asin.
And I say asin to asin. It's called to asins.